Ever feel like your money is slipping through your fingers? You set financial goals, but bills and hidden fees keep derailing your progress? Well, what if there was a tool that could help you manage your finances, save effortlessly, and even negotiate lower bills? That's the magic of Rocket Money. Context and problem, 0:15 to 1 o'clock. In today's world, managing finances can be overwhelming. Between subscriptions, bank charges, and unexpected expenses, it's easy to lose track of your spending. You might even be paying for services you don't use anymore, or unknowingly getting hit with recurring fees. That's where Rocket Money comes in. It's a financial management app designed to simplify your life and help you take control of your hard-earned cash. Introducing Rocket Money 1 to 1:30. Maybe you've already signed up for Rocket Money, or perhaps you're considering it. But before you jump in and start exploring all the cool features, you need to activate your account. Don't worry, it's a quick and easy process. In this video, we'll walk you step by step through activating your Rocket Money account and getting you on your way to financial freedom. Activating your account, 1:30 to 3:30. There are two main ways to activate your Rocket Money account, through the mobile app or the Rocket Money website. Both methods are simple and user-friendly. Activating with the mobile app, 1:30 to 2:30. Download the app. First things first, you'll need to download the Rocket Money app. It's available for free on both iOS and Android devices. Just search for Rocket Money in your app store and download it. Open the app. Once downloaded, open the Rocket Money app. You'll be greeted by a welcome screen. Find the login button. Look for a button that says login or sign in. It might be at the bottom or the center of the screen. Enter your credentials. Here's where you'll use the email address and password you created during your Rocket Money sign-up process. Make sure you enter them correctly, paying close attention to upper and lowercase letters. Verification, optional depending on your security settings. You might receive a verification code via email or text message. Enter that code in the designated field to proceed. Activating on the website, 2:30 to 3:30. Head to the Rocket Money website. If you prefer using a web browser, you can activate your account on the Rocket Money website as well. Just head over to Rocket Money website in your browser. Locate the login area. The login area should be prominently displayed on the home page. It might be a button or a link that says Login or Member Login. Enter your information. Similar to the mobile app, enter the email address and password you used during sign-up. Verification, optional once again. You might need to enter a verification code if two-factor authentication is enabled for your account. Congratulations! 3:30 to 4 o'clock. That's all there is to it. Once you've successfully entered your login credentials and completed any verification steps, your Rocket Money account will be activated. You'll be directed to your personalized dashboard, where you can explore all the features Rocket Money has to offer. Exploring Rocket Money, 4 to 5:30. Now that you're in, let's take a quick peek at some of the things you can do with Rocket Money. Link your bank accounts. This is crucial for Rocket Money to analyze your spending habits and identify areas for saving. You can securely link your checking and savings accounts to the app. Don't worry, Rocket Money uses secure encryption to ensure your financial data is protected. Find and cancel unused subscriptions. Rocket Money scans your bank statements to identify recurring charges for subscriptions you might not even remember signing up for. With a few clicks, you can cancel those unwanted subscriptions and free up some extra cash. Lower your bills. Rocket Money can analyze your bills and negotiate lower rates with your service providers, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars each year. Set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or simply building an emergency fund, Rocket Money helps you set realistic goals.